गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदाले कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वन्दे गुरुपदद्वन्द्वं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यं प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं। नन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीनां समयुक्तानां वृन्दावनमनोहरम्। तवैवास्मि तवैवास्मि न निवारि तया विना इति विज्ञायते राधे तन्नयामि चरणान्तिके। वंशी विभूषितकरार्णवमीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात्
Srila Prabhupada ki
Competition.
नहीं वो दीदी कहीं तो दे जा ना खारत बिन दे तो
So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam. Lotus feet of Gurupad Padmu, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satsman Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Govinda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakhak, Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vedanta Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and present all of my respectful guests. So just you heard, today is very super excellent, auspicious day. It is called Ekadasi Mahatithi. Name? Mohini? Mohini Ekadashi. Suddha Ekadashi. Dasami Tithi, yesterday was also Dasami, and day before also was Dasami. Today is Dasami, then coming Ekadashi. In our Vaishnav calendar, you have to always observe Suddha Ekadashi. If Ekadashi mixed with Dasami, that is called Dasami Viddha Ekadashi. Viddha means that mixed. That Ekadashi should be rejected. Otherwise, if you observe Dasami Viddha Ekadashi, then your life will be spoiled. And there are many problems will come in your life. Once Sita Devi, she asked to Valmiki Rishi, why I am suffered so many distress in my life. And that time Valmiki Rishi told, actually once you observe Dasami Viddha Ekadashi. This is also mentioned in Paribhakti Vilas. And so for this regard, we should reject which one? Dasami Viddha Ekadashi. If Ekadashi Tithi mixed with Dadashi, you have to observe that Ekadashi, Suddha Ekadashi. This is important also. Many people, they also observe Ekadashi, they are not watching any calendar, nothing, just counting their fingers. Today, Purnima, then Pratipada, Ditya, Tritiya, Chaturthi. And coming 10 days Dasami, then 11th day Ekadashi. So Ekadashi. But they don't know, they have to observe pure Ekadashi, Suddha Ekadashi. Another things also, day after Ekadashi, how to break the fast. That is called Paran. This is very important also. If you not proper way to break your Ekadashi, Ekadashi Paran, when a day after Ekadashi Dadashi, then you will not get the perfect fruit. So always you remember and check. Day after Ekadashi, then what time? The Paranta main calendar has written in there. And after sun rise, then within 1 hour, 2 hours, you have to break your fast. Actually, Srimad Bhagavatam, Srila Sukadeva Goswami told this story of Ambarish Maharaj and Durvasa. Durvasa Ambarish Katha, actually, why they quarrel to each other? Why Durvasa Rishi, then he become very angry. Actually, Durvasa Rishi, he did not angry with Ambarish Maharaj. Ambarish Maharaj Suddha Bhakta. Thus, just Durvasa Rishi, he acted this role. Because Durvasa Rishi also sadhu, also Mahabhagavat, not ordinary sadhu Durvasa. Durvasa Rishi, very high class and exalted sadhu. So Durvasa Rishi, he knows everything. And so don't you think Durvasa Rishi just he committed offense to lotus feet of Ambarish Maharaj. Just he acting this role, drama. Leela is going on this way. In this way, Durvasa Rishi, he glorified to Ambarish Maharaj, Suddha Bhakta, and also glorified how will you proper way to break the fast, Ekadashi fast. This is important also. And many people, they also glorified Ekadashi Katha and also glorified about Ambarish Durvasa Katha in Srimad Bhagavatam. But they are not giving the intents about Paranta. What is the fault of Ambarish Maharaj? There is no fault. Ambarish Maharaj, he observed Mahadadashi Vrat. Completely what? Full fast. He did not drink one drop of water. Nirjala Vrat. But Kali Yuga, Shastra gives some concession card. Understand? Everybody taking which card? Concession card. My Gurudev is saying this. Even your health is good, also you are taking concession card. You understand? That means in the Kali Yuga explain, if you not good health, if your health is not good, then you can observe Ekadashi, just take some fruits, milk, yogurt, and drink little water. Saying this. The concession card give you. And it's a very nice card. And card. Permission card. And this permission card, go to the wall and touch the wall, then money will come. This is the concession card. So just I will explain this way. Actual, how we proper way to observe Suddha Ekadashi. How will proper way? Day before Ekadashi, that means Dasami Tithi. Dasami Tithi you will take prasad only one time. Understand? Not night time also. Last night you took prasad or not? Yes. Yes. So, maybe late night also took prasad. Yes. That also the inside your stomach. Our Shastra saying this. In the day before Ekadashi, that means Dasami Tithi, only midday you can take prasad. Understand? Or night time, completely fast. Or Ekadashi, day of Ekadashi, completely full fast. And many people are saying, okay, we are saying this Ekadashi start here, and 1 o'clock, and so before Ekadashi I can eat. And as like some or the religious people, cannot take their name. They are what they are doing. They are daytime not eating. And they are daytime not eating. Understand? Or night-time eating. And before sunrise, they eating. When sun rises, they stop. Then when again night-time coming, and start to eat. No need to eat altogether. You understand? So in the same way, some people also, actually they are not properly following the Ekadashi. So Shastra saying in the day before Ekadashi, that means Dasami Tithi, only take prasad what time? Midday one time. Understand this? Or Ekadashi, day of Ekadashi, completely Nirjala, full fast. Understand? Nothing between. And also should not sleep also. Here this thing, we are singing this song, that is called Nisi Jagaran. What do you say? Nisi Jagaran. Nisi Jagaran means? What do you understand? Not sleeping, night time. In the day of Ekadashi night, should we wake up and chanting holy names. As a Mahaprabhu did this. Sri Hari Vasari Hari Kirtana Vedano Nittaram Vela Prabhu Jagate Raka Purnavanta Sivasa Ganeshu Bharambo. Mahaprabhu, he came in the house of Srivas Thakur. Early in the morning. And chanting holy names. And Hari Haraye Namah Krishna Yadavaya Namah. Savara Anged Sri Chandana Mala. Mahaprabhu himself putting what thing? Chandan, sandalwood in the forehead of all the devotees. But here is nobody want to put Chandana. Understand? So put the Chandan. And if you go Bengal, Pisali, and in any Hari Katha, what they are doing? This is the process. And especially this month is called, what is going on this? Chandan Jatra. Akshaya Tritiya, 21 days. From Akshaya Tritiya to 21 days. And 21 दिन तक ये चंदन यात्रा चलती है. ठाकुर जी के सुंदर रूप में सजाते रहते, चंदन दे करके, फूल की माला दे करके सजाते रहते. विशेष करके वृंदावन में जो है बांके बिहारी और जो प्रसिद्ध जो मंदिर जो है, ये सब मंदिर में क्या करते हैं? इतनी फूल बंगला होती है. फूल बंगला समझते हो? हिंदी है. They decorate that temple with very nice, beautiful flowers and colors. इतनी सुंदर फूल बंगला सजाते. एक फूल बंगला सजाने में कम से कम 4 लाख 5 लाख रुपया लेते हैं. समझ में आता है? कितना यूरो चला जाएगा तुम्हारा? बहुत ज्यादा. हिसाब नहीं लगा, बहुत ज्यादा.
10,000 किलो.
हाँ, बहुत पैसा लगता है. ऐसे बड़े बड़े सेठ लोग भी आते हैं, वो भी लाइन लगाता है. मेरा नंबर कब आएगा? हाँ, मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ.
6 महीना तक नंबर नहीं आएगा.
उसके नंबर नहीं आएगा. ठाकुर जी की फूलमाला सजाने के लिए इतने बड़े बड़े लोग सब खड़े हुए रहते हैं. 6 महीने पहले से उनको नाम बुकिंग किया जाता है. आज समझिए आश्चर्य की बात. इस करके बांकी बिहारी मंदिर है, और वो क्या बोलना, इसके राधा श्याम सुंदर मंदिर जो है, राधा रमन, ये सब मंदिर में जो है इतने सुंदर है 21 दिन तो कम से कम 21 दिन तो पूरा तो होगी है। चंदन लगाते हैं, ठाकुर जी के चंदन लगाते हैं और मंदिर को इतने सुंदर करके है फूलों की माला की तरह सजाते हैं हर रोज है। हम कहाँ पर पड़े हुए है, किंतु देखो कभी कभी मन में आश्वस्त है, देखो भगवान ने ऐसे है लोगों की कितने पैसा भी दिया और ठाकुर जी के कितने सुंदर में सजा के है मंदिर को कितने सुंदर है। तो चलो अभी हम इसलिए करें, देखो ये विशेष करके अभी कौन सा मास चल रहा है चंदन जाते है। ऐसे चंदन घिसो, घिस करके ठाकुर जी के लगाओ है। यू हैव टू पुट द सैंडलवुड पेस्ट टू ठाकुर और पुट द चंदन विद द वैष्णव है। दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। भक्ति इज नॉट चीप है, भक्ति कब सस्ता नहीं है, ऐसे मिल जाए बस ताल ठोक दिया मिल जाए। भक्ति के लिए बहुत कुछ करना पड़ेगा है। आज हम लोग सोच रहे थे महाप्रभु ने कहा तो ताली मारो और हरि कृष्ण बोलो मिल जाएगा है। किंतु देखो वास्तव में क्या करना पड़ेगा, कुछ साधन भजन करना है। चंदन है, चंदन है किसके पास नहीं है, है चंदन लगाना है। अरे एक दिन लगा के छोड़ दिया फिर कैसे किस दिन लगाना पड़ेगा है। ये बोल रहा है जी अक्षय तृतीय दिन लगाया तो और नहीं लगाया, बोले नहीं है हर रोज कम से कम क्यों ये पर जाए। ठाकुर जी का अत्यंत प्रिय है, ठाकुर जी का अत्यंत प्रिय है, इसलिए ठाकुर जी की सेवा लगनी है। भक्ति के दो अंग विशेष रूप में कहा गया, एक है भगवत पित्तार्थे अखिल चेष्टा परायण और भगवत पित्तार्थे अखिल भोगत त्याग है। ये दोनों इम्पोर्टेंट। व्हाट विल यू डू स्पेशल प्लेजर फॉर कृष्ण, कृष्णार्थे अखिल चेष्टा, चेष्टा माने ऑल योर endeavors exclusively pleasure for Krishna, or you have to reject everything for the exclusive pleasure for Krishna. So for this regard, Goswami Pad has written this verse: Krishnarthe akhil chesta parayan और कृष्णार्थे अखिल भोगत त्याग। क्या बोला, याद रहेगा नहीं रहेगा। कृष्णार्थे अखिल चेष्टा परायण, चेष्टा मैंने एंडिवर, ऑल योर एंडिवर एक्सक्लूसिवली प्लेजर फॉर कृष्ण और कृष्णार्थे अखिल भोगत त्याग। यू हैव टू गिव अप एवरीथिंग फॉर द एक्सक्लूसिव प्लेजर फॉर कृष्ण। टू थिंग्स so you have to put chandan this is very important, otherwise Thakur ji will not happy so put this so put that tilak chandan, this is important you are not doing, so I am not saying this is not true. I have to say Maharaj I am not doing so, no need. You cannot say this one. I have to speak. I have to speak what our Shastra is saying. शास्त्र में ये कहा गया, क्या बोला, ये चंदन से भागनी चाहिए। Even you go Bengal, every day, if any Vaishnava will come and put the chandan. They are doing this. Vaishnava Acharya, for this regard, Srila Chaitanya, for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Sanatana Goswami, hey Sanatana, you manifest one best grantha that is called Vaishnava Suddha Sadachar Grantha. क्या ग्रंथ? That is called Haribhakti Vilas. Haribhakti Vilas means these things. So now coming in this way. So the Ekadashi Tithi, we have to observe Ekadashi properly. One Suddha Ekadashi, if you observe, then your life will be successful. How many observe? How many Ekadashi? One. How will observe Ekadashi? That's it. Dasami Tithi should not. Dasami Tithi, day before Ekadashi, Dasami Tithi, eat one time. Dasami Ekadashi, full fast. Not drinking one drop of water. Some people will not drink water, can drink milk, yogurt, but this is not the water. People, they are arguments, but no. One person is showing you, I am observing Suddha Ekadashi, I am not drinking. But when he was very thirsty, then he, what is called,
dive into the water.
Driving in the water
and
drinking. No one can look in. And one small fish. Understand? And there also stuck in his throat. Then what will do? What will do? Then go to doctor and remove the operation. Bengali word saying, Pap kokhon lukai or sagar kokhon sukai. You understand? No. No understand? Pap kokhon. If you committed any sin, pap, and it will never hide. And if the ocean will be never dry. So that this word saying, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj in his lecture sometimes also use this Bengali word. What is it? Pap kakhon lukai or sagar kakhon lukai. Pap kakhon lukai na or sagar kakhon lukai. So if you sink in the water and drink water and nobody looking, but who is looking? Krishna. Fish is looking. So that means, and everybody have to proper way to observe Ekadashi Tithi and Nam Sankirtan. Galuge, New Ekadashi, what will do? Nam Sankirtan. As Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself observed the Ekadashi, Nishi Jagaran, whole day, whole night. Mahaprabhu chanting holy name, especially in the house of Srivas Thakur. And here again, Savara Angete Sri Chandana Mala. You have just to read it. And singing or not? But no Chandan, no Mala. I said, no Mala, not very expensive. But you have to put the Chandan. If you not get sandalwood, if it's not possible, what is it called? Gopi Chandan, just €1. Gopi Chandan. Maybe €1. €1 maybe you will get, maybe 3. 80 रुपए में तो कितने मिल जाएगा? लड्डू है? अरे गोपी चंदन ऐसे ही करके सबको लगा दूं, है? अच्छा रहती कि नहीं रहता? चंदन पाउडर मिल जाएगा, लगाना चाहिए है। हम इसलिए कर रहे, देखो हम कहीं लेक्चर नहीं दे रहा हूँ, किंतु शास्त्र का विशेष करके इस महीने में क्या करोगे? चंदन है। भगवान की कुछ लगा, भगवान तो कुछ बोलता ही नहीं है। वैष्णव के लगाने चाहिए ना, है कि नहीं? हाँ, वैष्णव है ना, है? कहते महाराज आप वैष्णव है? बोले हाँ, आमी तो वैष्णव ये बुद्धि होइले अमानी ना भवयामि। हरे प्रतिष्ठा हृदय if I think I am Vaishnava, then name, fame, reputation will come. Then I will go hell. In this song you say, Amita Vaishnava, e buddhi hoile, amani na hoyami. Who is Vaishnava? Who is very humble and give respect to others. He is saying, Tranadapi Sunichena, Karoriva Krishna, Amanina Manadena, Kirtana. Mahaprabhu himself give the Chandan Mala to all the devotees. Then say in Kirtan, Savara Angete Sobe, Sichan, here use this word, Savara Angete Sobe, Sichandana Mala. Or complete of all they also absorb. Chanting holy name, dancing, singing. Even Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's, this garland, and sometimes fell down on the feet of the devotees. Chindiya pade gya bhakater pai. He is saying this one. Because all they completely were absorbed. Chanting holy name, dancing, singing. When they are garland, should get money? Broke. And also feet, it fall down in the feet of the devotees. Naam Sankirtan. Whole day, night, Mahaprabhu are dancing, singing with the devotees. Naam Sankirtan. That is called Nisi Jagaran. What did you say? Nisi Jagaran. Nisi means night, Jagaran means day. Naam Sankirtan. The Naam, Hari, Kirtan, Naam Sankirtan. We are doing what they are doing. Then night time going, and Durvindu Das. Durvindu Das understand?
Servant of sleep.
Huh?
Servant of
The
sleep.
servant of
Sleep.
sleep. Huh?
In Portuguese.
In Portuguese.
In Spanish.
What is saying? Good Dutch, what is saying?
Sleep, what's the word for sleep? Slappen.
Servants of sleep.
Slap.
Slappen.
Like slapping.
Maya Devi slapping.
I know that word.
Actually, this is the proper way to how to observe. And day after Ekadashi, then how to proper way to break fast. Break the fast. Break fast.
Breakfast. You have to break.
You have to feed some food, prasad to cows, brahmanas, Vaishnavas. This is the process. You read Hari Bhakti Vilas. Then you can take first Thakurji's Charanamritam in proper scheduled time also. This is the process also. So Ambarish Maharaj, actually he did this way. At that time Durvasa Rishi came, and that time was very
Sure.
short time. Durvasa Rishi was very angry Maharaj. So what Durvasa Rishi told Ambarish, now I am going to take bath and return back and take prasad in your place. Or Ambarish Maharaj is not at that time was very short time. And maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Then Ambarish Maharaj, he just worshipped his Thakurji, that food wedding water, that is called Thakurji Charanamrit, he took. Durvasa Rishi in his trance, he realized, oh, Ambarish Maharaj, he did not give respect to me. I am sadhu. I am sadhu. I have come your house, but we did not honor to me. Understand? If sadhu is first your house, then sadhu will take all your punya. Understand?
If sadhu
Hey.
fasts,
Huh?
if sadhu,
Sadhu is first in your house.
if he does not take any prasad,
Not taking fast means you are taking prasad. Then sadhu will take your
Punya.
all your
Punya.
punya. Huh? Understand? This is also Shastra saying. Eh? So Ambarish Maharaj, Ambarish Maharaj, Durvasa Rishi, he came and used many harsh words to Ambarish Maharaj. I am sadhu. Hey, you did not give me prasad, you did not feed to me. Or before you broke your fast. Why? And Ambarish Maharaj, Durvasa Rishi, continually he was speaking many harsh words. But Ambarish Maharaj completely what? Calm and quiet. Look this. And Ambarish Maharaj did not say anything. Then Durvasa Rishi, his fire of anger, going in here, very up. And then he manifests one
Demons.
fire demon, Pitta. Then he will attack to Ambarish Maharaj. Still Ambarish Maharaj, he did not say anything. Tanadapi Sunish, how Ambarish Maharaj is very humble. And when Dushasan, Duryodhan, they also, what is called, pulled Draupadi's cloth. Draupadi, she called out or not?
Yes.
Draupadi, she called out to Krishna. And Govinda, Abta Rakho, and Hamara Laj. Draupadi, she prayed to Krishna. And then Krishna came and also and sent many cloths. Which cloth? Krishna's cloth or Gopi's cloth?
Gopi's cloth.
One day I told this story. Understand? And the Gopi, they asked, you did not give to anything your devotee. Then Krishna told, why not? And I sent cloth to Draupadi or not? Draupadi is my devotee. Then Gopi said, tell to ask, you are male person or female person? Then Krishna told, I am male person. Understand? So you sent to cloth to Draupadi, which cloth? Dhuti or sari? Sari. This is your cloth or somebody else? Okay, why are you saying this? Then Gopi told, actually that was the sari, that is not yours. You did not send to your cloth. And which cloth?
The Gopi.
Gopi's cloth, our cloth. Gopi they told. But why? How do you know? So Gopi they told, they go every day after taking bath, we put the cloth on the rays of the sun,
Yes.
and then you steal. And then all the cloths you also collect, and when Draupadi calls time, hey Govinda, your cloth, they will say, very nice beautiful katha is there. And so Gopis, they sometimes they loving quarrel with Krishna. Hey Krishna actually did not give anything your devotee. You are saying, okay, always I am protecting my devotee. How it is protecting devotee? Then Krishna told, I gave money to Sudha Vipra. You gave Sudha Vipra 1 penny. दिया था कृष्ण
आप बताएंगे हम सुनेंगे
बोले नहीं दिया गोपियां कृष्ण बोले देखो मेरा प्रिय भक्त कौन सुधा विप्र है सुधा विप्र के मैंने पैसा दिया कि नहीं दिया इतना बस विशाल जो राजप्रसाद बना दिया मेरे दारिकापुरी के भांति मेरे दारिकापुरी के भांति इतने विशाल राजप्रसाद सुधा विप्र को मैं बना दिया गोपियां और बोले अच्छा बताओ बैंक चेक दिया था हमने कौन सा बैंक चेक दिया भाई देखो हाथ में तुझे पैसा दे दिया उसकी कोई एविडेंस नहीं है रिसीट नहीं जब बैंक चेक देते हैं ना तब उसे क्या होता है रिसीट आता है तो तुमने तो दिया ही नहीं एविडेंस तो कृष्ण बोली तो सुदाम विप्र इतने विशाल मंदिर के ऐसे कैसे बन गया? गोपियां बोली कृष्ण सुनो मैं बताता हूँ। गोपियां बोली देखो बड़े बड़े सेठ जी मंदिर बनाते हैं, और मंदिर बना करके मंदिर के सामने क्या रखते हैं? डोनेशन बॉक्स लिखा रहता है ना, डोनेशन बॉक्स है, और लोग आकर उसे डोनेशन बॉक्स में पैसा डालते हैं। अरे कन्हैया तू तो मायावी हो, सारे पैसा डोनेशन बॉक्स से चुरा लिया और चुरा करके सुदाम पे भेज दिया। अपने कुछ दिया, अपने कुछ नहीं दिया। यू अंडरस्टैंड? क्या बोला, क्या बोला समझ में आया? बोला इंग्लिश बोलो, क्या बोला?
Guru Maharaj is telling a wonderful story about the gopis' conversation, actually arguing with Krishna. Krishna is always showing off to the gopis that he is doing so much for everyone. But the gopis doesn't accept these words and challenge Krishna. What are you truly giving to your bhaktas? Did you give? And the Krishna is then coming with evidence. Yes, I'm giving so much. Like Draupadi, I gave so cloths. So then the gopis are telling, are you a man or a female? Krishna is telling, of course, I'm Purush, I'm man. So why are you giving them sari? Do you give sari or dhoti to Draupadi? He said, I'm giving sari. So where did you get this sari? And then Gopi is telling, actually, you stole this sari from us. And you're giving that to Draupadi. So nothing from you. Did you give your own dhoti to Draupadi? No. Huh? And then also Subha Vipra Katha is there. The gopis are challenging Krishna. Did you give something to Sudam? He came to you actually for a purpose. Wife sent him. Okay, you gave him Mahaprasad, everything, but did you gave the thing what he wanted actually? You gave some bank check or something received. You have some evidence of that you gave something to. Then the gopis are telling, actually you didn't. Sudam had a when he went back, he had a very nice house and everything. So then the gopis are telling, what is the reason? How did Sudam receive the money? From where? And then Gopi is explaining, actually, you know, when you are building mandirs, there are many investors building mandirs. So in the mandir is always on donation box. People are giving donation to whom? For the Lord Seva. So the gopis are telling you, you're taking all this donation from someone else and giving to Sudam, nothing from yourself.
आपने कुछ नहीं दिया।
Nothing from your own you're giving. Always borrowing, giving and everything, doing business. This way the gopis are arguing with Krishna very
So this is called loving squad.
Loving
Don't you think this is true? Otherwise,
Friend coming.
huh? So last time you also told Vasa Rishi. And when he tried to get to Ambarish Maharaj, he did not pray to Krishna, Krishna please said. But Draupadi prayed, just I also prayed. But then Sudarshan Chakra automatically came. And Sudarshan Chakra said to Ambarish Maharaj. You know the story. The first Sudarshan Chakra, first he destroyed to
The fire demon.
Kritva, the demon. Then again Sudarshan Chakra chasing behind to
Durva.
Durvasa. And Durvasa, you are Rani came to Brahma. Brahmaji told, I cannot to protect you. Then come to Shivji. Shivji told, Hey Durvasa, you committed offense to lotus feet of Ambarish Maharaj. Suddha Bhakta. So I can't to protect you. it is better you go to lotus feet of Vishnu, because this is Vishnu Sudarshan Chakra. Then Durvasa Rishi came in front of Vishnu. Then Vishnu told, I cannot protect you because you committed offense to Ambarish Maharaj. It is better I have to ask your forgiveness to the feet of Ambarish Maharaj. Then Durvasa Rishi came. When Durvasa Rishi came, then Durvasa Rishi noticed how Ambarish Maharaj is very humble. When Ambarish Maharaj he saw Durvasa Rishi is coming, then he also paid his obeisance. Then Durvasa Rishi, he just uttered one sloka. Now today I saw those who are the devotee of Lord Vishnu. How they are very humble. I am Vishwa. Ananta Dasana. Those are devotee of Lord Vishnu. Ananta Bhagavan. Those are devotee of Lord Vishnu. How they are very humble. Look. So this is the Vaishnava means is always be humble. Trinadapi Sunishena Karuriva Srishnuna Amadina Manadina Hirtaniya Sadakani. Samagun. Samagun, understand? Vaishnava best quality is what gun? Samagun. Samagun means forgiveness. Forgiveness is the great virtue. Sama param dharma. Then when Durvasa, Ambarish Maharaj, when Durvasa Rishi came and paid his obeisances and asked his forgiveness, then Sudarshan Chakra returned. So in this Leela actually, Srila Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj, what is the behavior of Vaishnava? Understand? My Gurudev always use one word. Vaishnava Vaite Chilomur Sad Trinadavi Suni Cheno Sloki Parigelo Bad. What is the meaning? I want to become Vaishnava. You want to become Vaishnava or not? Who wants to become Vaishnava? Everybody wants to become Vaishnava. But you have to learn this verse. Which verse? Trinadavi Suni Cheno Karuriva Srishnuna Amadina Hirtaniya Sadakani. I not learn this verse. I have to practice. Understand? Practice is very important. Always very humble. Not, and sometimes, what is it? Just that?
Show.
Showing and pretending to not be so. So Gurudev gave an example. One Vaishnava coming, another side, another Vaishnava going, another side. Both are meeting in the middle. And that time, the wheat fields, wheat field, and small wheat plants are coming. Very nice, beautiful. And in the middle, a small, narrow path. Only one person can go. If another person will come, very difficult to cross. So, one Vaishnava is coming this side, another Vaishnava going to that side. Both are meeting. Then he's saying to pranam. He says, no, I'm not Vaishnava. Don't touch my feet. I say, no, I am not Vaishnava, don't touch my feet. I am Adham. They are using this word. I am Adham. Adham means I am very fallen. I am very fallen. I say, no, I am very fallen. What Bengali word? Adham. And both are saying, I am Adham. They say, no, you are not Adham. I am Adham. Why did you touch my feet? They say, no, don't touch my feet. Then they go, don't touch me. Then both were taking the put dust from each other by force. They also rolling on the ground. And say, Hari oh my God, I will go hell. They say, no, no, don't take my feet. That one. I will go hell. So both also have and do also rolling on the then the owner of the field. And he notice what they are doing this. They destroy all my plans. Then he took one stick and Dhamadam. They are saying Adam, are they saying Dhamadam? Dhamadam, understand? Bitali beat truth. Then both ran away. Gaur Premanand. These types of is called pretending. Sankapat. Vaishnava should be one. Always Nirmal Chaitra. Giving up all kinds of duplicity and hypocrisy. Father Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying this, what is saying? What is saying this song? They give up the all kinds of kapat, duplicity and hypocrisy. Antara bahire samavyavar amani manotava. Antara bahire samavyavar amani manotava. Vaishnava means in his inner heart and outer heart. Should be same. No duplicity and no hypocrisy. And so saying, Antara bahire samavyavar amani manotava. And Vaishnava not showing his any duplicity and hypocrisy. And so Shastra saying Bhakti Vinod Thakur also explained this. Millions births maybe go to hell. It will be good, but it ends better than showing your duplicity of अनेक जन्म है नरक में जाना अच्छा है किंतु तथापि है डुप्लिसिटी और हिपोक्रेसी छल कपट के द्वारा कोई कल्याण नहीं है क्या बोला समझ में आया बताओ
Guru Maharaj is explaining that better to go many lives birth in hell than to come in this world and to be duplicitous and double-hearted.
So this is very important also. So saying antara bahire samavyavar. And outside, inside, your heart should be same. Not showing any duplicity and hypocrisy. This is very important. And chant then, one day pure holy names will manifest your tongue. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So many teaching and in our Shastra and how to observe Ekadashi Tithi and do bhajan and sadhana. And today is very super auspicious day, Ekadashi Tithi. And according to your health, you can full fast or take some and fruits, milk, yoga, and as you go. Because bhakti is but not by force. Bhakti should be simple, not by force. That is called hata. That is called Sanskrit word. That is called hatata. Hatata, understand? Yeah, I will do this. Then you will lose everything. Bhakti should be simple. Good. Understand? Your health is not good. By force you taking. But by force you fast, then one day your ulcer or you call stomach problem will come. So bhakti that is called here.
Natural.
Natural, sahavika. Eh? Understand? But that means I am not saying there is no need to observe Ekadashi. Eh? This is not the subject. Subject is that you do observe Ekadashi and properly. According to health. But main thing is in the day of Ekadashi, everybody has to chant holy name. And 64 rounds we have to chant. How many rounds? 64. At least 1 लाख नाम एकादशी दिन हर रोज को नहीं कर पाते हो कोई बात नहीं है किंतु इन द डे ऑफ एकादशी है टू चांट हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे नाम संकीर्तन. This is very important. Don't think, oh, I am Westerner, I am Indian, Westerner. There is no subject. Understand? Oh, we are Westerner, no need. Shastra not giving the instruction for Westerners or Indians. No concession card. Okay, we are giving the concession card for the Westerner devotees. Okay, you are Westerner, so you chant 16 rounds. I am Indian, I will chant 64. This is not the chant. Understand? Everybody have to chant. Chant or not? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And always be humble. Kanadupi Sunichena, Tarorama Svishnuna, Amalina Malina, Kirtanya Sadari. Then one day pure holy name will manifest in your chant. And otherwise millions birth if you chant holy names. And Krishna Prem, Krishna Naam will not manifest in you. बहु जन्म यदि करे नाम संकीर्तन तथापि ना पाए कृष्ण पदे प्रेमधन. You learn Bengali song. Her song Bengali song. कोटि जन्म यदि करे नाम संकीर्तन. If you chant millions words, chant holy names, but not give up that duplicity, hypocrisy. Suddha Naam will not manifest in your tongue, and you will never deliver from this material. What do you do? Give up all kind of duplicity and hypocrisy. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So I request you, everybody chant holy name, Naam Sankirtan, especially in the day of Ekadashi. Understand? And put tilak also. This is very important. Tilak dharan na kare na tulasi na tilak dharan na kare jejan. Ki habe tilak dharan na kare jejan jamal तुलसीर हार ना करे जे छार जमाले बास और तिलक धारण ना करे जे जन की हबे तार गति. This is very important. And everybody have to put tilak and continue. And tilak is very important or not? Yes. Otherwise all your job or tap or real. Mahaprabhu himself instructed. And one day some devotees came. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Eh? Then Mahaprabhu asks, did you chant your Gayatri mantra? Eh? That is called Sandha Vandana. Eh? That is yes. Mahaprabhu told, all your Sandha Vandana is useless. Why? Because you did not put tilak. You put tilak. This is very important. Tilak, Tulasi Mala, Kanti Mala, and Lalate Tilakang Nasti, Kante Nasti, Trikantika, Hidaye Nasti, Govinda, so Nara, Brahma Rakshasa. Usural there is some here. Those who are not putting tilak in the forehead, and not putting the Kanti Mala, and not chanting holy names, is called Brahma Rakshasa. Understand? And two types of dogs. One is called Paltu dogs and is called Faltu dogs. Paltu means understand? Pet dog. Those are your own dog. Sometimes put the collar. Or where they are running in the street dogs, no one taking care. That is called Faltu. Usually. Understand? If your own dog, what you are doing? Embracing and kissing. Understand? One day I told him this very good. Those dogs are running in the street and no one taking care. You are very humble or very generous, maybe little bit some food. Understand? Biscuits. Ekadasi Prasad, many people also are giving Ekadasi Prasad. What is the time now? Now 3 o'clock. Time is stop. Nearly 3. Nearly 3. Okay. Because you come late. So we have
They didn't come yesterday.
Every day.
Why?
So, what is the meaning? That means if you put the tulasi mala around your neck and put tilak, that means Krishna, he belongs to. If you not tulasi mala, kanti mala, or no tilak, then you are belongs to Maya. Maya Devi should give punishment. Very powerful tulasi mala, kanti mala. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after 100 years, you die or not?
Yes.
Who will not die? But if you have kanti mala and tilak, Jamaduta will not come in for you. There is 100% guarantee. If you have kanti mala and
Tila.
tilak, then tulasi mala is very powerful. Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, on his lecture, he also told one very nice piece, Katha Ekadasi. In the day of Ekadasi, he told, in our Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, one disciple, his name was Vaikhanas Maharaj. No? Before he was, what is called, king priest, Rajpurohit.
The priest of the king.
King's priest.
King priest. Royal priest. Before joined in our Gaudiya Math, he was royal priest. And he has a Brahman, high class Brahman. So one day he went far country, and driving his car, and do some jagga, fire, sacrifice, these things, you know. And he got lot of donation, different kinds of donation. His car completely was full. But when he was returned, he was coming back his home. On the way, big storm came, heavy storm and rain. So he thinking how to return back his home. In the middle of the way, the midnight and also storm and windy. That is what will do. Then he saw on the road one what is called dukan, one shop is there. So you are selling the what is called pan. Pan, understand? Betel nut.
That's enough.
Pan ki dukaan. He asked to the person, yeah, I want to spend this night time someplace. That time that person told me, look, here is one field, one big house is there. Nobody living in there. If the 6 months you do not stay in your house, and that house captivated by the ghost. You try to understand, this is 100% guarantee. If you not live 6 months, continuous 6 months, not live in this house, then the ghost will come. Ghost will say, this is my place. But he did not know. Bhakyanas Maharaj, that I just forget his name, that is spiritual. Bhakti Gaurav Bhakyanas Maharaj. No, he's Brahmachari's name also. He told, okay, so he came, there's a house, big house. So he was, came in the house and sleeping. And then midnight, about 1 a.m., when you were taking a rest, then automatically all the doors
Banging.
and windows automatically open and making sound. Ghost coming in your house, how do you know? First, automatically all your, what is called, glass or ornaments, you know? What is called?
Anything made of glass.
Or you look, automatically you start to move,
Shake.
look like
Earthquake.
earthquake. And automatically all your
Cups.
cups,
Saucers. Cutlery.
and everything automatically fall down and making sound. Then you understand that ghost is coming. This is the nature. And how do you know ghost is coming in your house? Automatically you are thinking, automatically you are there. Everything also start to
Shake.
understand? Today Ekadasi ghost will not come. So if ghost will come, भूत आने के पहले ही तुम्हारी जो है वो अपने आप सब गिर जाएगा, बर्तन आदि अपने आप गिर जाएगा, सिग्नल दे दी, अपने आप दरवाजा खुल जाएगा। अब ताला लगा करके रखे तभी वो अपने खुल जाएगा। So he noticed, they automatically the windows and doors open and close. They think, oh my God, they must be this ghost.
Light on.
So then he realized, oh, the ghost has come, and making very sound that time. How did they? Actually, this book is called Bharati Guru Maharaj. He told you can read his books also here. Then Ekadasi marks when he explained. Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, he told this katha. Then automatically he realized, oh, ghost has come. That time, Bhakyanas Maharaj, and he took one iron rod. No? Understand? Then he took iron rod and said, hey! Who are you? That time he said, I am Brahma Rakshas. What is he saying?
Brahma Rakshas.
And Brahma Rakshas means thousands and ghost commander. That is called Brahma Rakshas. And there are many sections there. And you don't know this. And understand? They call Brahma Rakshas. I will kill you. And that time he told, okay, come in front of me. And that time Bhakyanas Maharaj, he is very tallest person. And 2 times some Vijay Prabhu. And 2 times them also.
Same size.
Same size. Let me understand this. And he took that iron rod. That time Brahma Rakshasa he told, hey, give up your this iron rod, then I will challenge with you. Because if any iron in your body, that ghost will not come also. This is another thing. From this regard, in India's small baby, they put the iron in there. क्या बोलते हैं जाल देते हैं क्या बोलते हैं
ताबीज
छोटा सा ताबीज इसमें चाकू जैसा
if you have iron in your body the ghost will not come. So that ghost told Brahma Rakshasa told you give up that this iron then I will challenge you. Then Bhakana he told tell to me why did you become Brahma Rakshasa? Understand? That time he told, I took some sadhu's money and enjoyed for this regard. Now I become Brahma Rakshasa. Then he told how to what is it called? Derive from this Brahma Rakshasa body. Then he told if anybody will give his one Ekadashi's fruit. Ekadashi's phal, you know. One day Ekadashi fruit. Then I will give up my this Brahma Rakshasa body. Understand? Then Vaikanas Maharaj just chanted a mantra and one special mantra to offering and to Ekadashi Suddha Ekadashi fruit. And he chanted it. Then he left his, he gave up his Brahma Rakshasa attend to Vaikuntha. So in this way, Ekadashi Mahatma. How is the glory of Ekadashi? One Ekadashi, if you properly observe, then all your sin, everything will be back. If anybody about to die, give your one Ekadashi's fruit. He will give up his body and attend to Vaikuntha. They are very powerful also. Ekadashi's breath, not so easy. And if you do, understand? When I was in Holland, what is his name? Ashok father, who was about to die, went to that was with or not. I went to their hospital. Just I forget. No. जो अस्पताल में छोड़ दिया ये थी हॉस्पिटल many years before. He was about to die, then I went and they said, okay, this is it. Ekadashi, then when I returned back, then he left his job. Ekadashi, many years. Ekadashi Vrat. If you give your one Ekadashi's Vrat fruit, all there get simple finished. Ekadashi Vrat is very powerful. If anybody about to die, give the drop of Gangajal and Tulasi. बोलो एकादशी तिथि की जय जय श्री राधे। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय जय श्री राधे। I forget this. Who was about to die?
Shashi तो वहाँ भी था। Shashi भी था। एक फैमिली मेंबर था, उसका नाम एक फैमिली मेंबर भक्ता के फैमिली मेंबर था, मगर उसका नाम भुला गया। Then you went there.
Then when I returned back, then he left me.
But that is maybe 15 years ago.
Huh?
Like 10 more.
15, no, many years before.
15, 20 years ago.
Many years before.
It's very.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Ekadashi, I am saying this. Ekadashi Vrat is very powerful. Just you observe one Ekadashi properly. At that Ekadashi's food, if you give someone, just all is simple. अंडरस्टैंड? बड़े एकादशी महातिथि की जय जय श्री राधे। So today is very super excellent auspicious day, and so I pray to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, and dear Nityananda Prabhu will give mercy to us. Huh?
Family member of Vishaka Devi, also a family member of Vishaka Devi. She's living now in India, but it was a family member.
विशाखा दीदी जानते हैं जो इंडिया में हुआ था।
Yeah, it was a family member.
उसका परिवार, हाँ उसका परिवार था।
अच्छा,
वहाँ गया।
I forget it. Many years before. Huh?
अच्छा छोड़ो।
बहुत दिन की बात है।
बहुत दिन की बात है। I think more than 20 years. Yeah.
More than 20 years. And 25 years. So.
Yes, I think so.
Huh? Only many ghosts.
But that day,
Where is more ghost Maharaj? Here
Huh?
or in India?
Huh?
In India or here? The more ghost. Where is more ghost?
Small ghost.
ghost. Hello. पूछते था कि यहाँ वेस्ट में फिर भूत रहते और इंडिया में भूत रहते।
अरे भूत सर्वत्र ही
सब
रहता
साथ है।
है। भूत सर्वत्र ही है। गोष्ठी जगह
सब जगह तो मृत्यु है ना।
सब जगह तो मृत्यु है कि नहीं है? हाँ?
हाँ, मृत्यु भूत
आत्मा सर्वत्र है। घोष बड़ी क्या है? सूक्ष्म बड़ी होता है। घोष के बड़ी होता है। इसमें लिखा है ना, इसमें पुराण में लिखा है। उसमें संग अग्नि पुराण में उसमें पूछ रही है ये घोष्ट कहाँ पर रहता है, कौन घोष्ट बनता है, उसके लक्षण क्या है?
गरुड़ पुराण में भी
इसमें अग्नि पुराण, गरुड़ पुराण सब पुराण में लिखा है। इसमें जो है ना, ये जो हमारे सत्य शादी का पद्धति, इसमें प्रेत प्राप्ति हेतु प्रेत बनने के कारण क्या बनता है, इसमें सब लिखा है। प्रेत शांति, इसलिए इसमें लिखा है ये भूत जो अब हो जाता है उसकी भूत शरीर से छुड़ाने के क्या उपाय है, ऐसा वर्णन है इसमें। ये सत्क्रिया शादी का है ना, गोपाल भट्ट गोस्वामी के ग्रंथ है। सदी का सत्क्रिया शादी का है। साध्य इसलिए करना पड़ता है। स्मार्त ब्राह्मण लोग स्मार्त मत से करते हैं और वैष्णव लोग वैष्णव मत से करते हैं, इसलिए सत्क्रिया शादी का ग्रंथ है। और इसलिए चैतन्य महाप्रभु उनको बोला था, सनातन गोस्वामी के बोले ये ग्रंथ प्रकाश करो। आज में इसको कहा जाता है सत्क्रिया शादी का ग्रंथ। क्या बोला? सत्क्रिया। सत्क्रिया हम करते हैं ना, कोई भी मर जाते तो क्रिया होता है कि नहीं होता है
जी
है? तो उसके जो क्रिया किस प्रकार होनी चाहिए, एक दो प्रकार होता है। एक है स्मार्त मत से है, और एक होता है वैष्णव मत है। वैष्णव जब शरीर छोड़ देते हैं उसके लिए भी एक प्रकार क्रिया आदि होते हैं, और जो अवैष्णव जो है उनके लिए भी एक प्रकार होता है। इसलिए दो प्रकार की विधान दिया है शास्त्र में। वैष्णव मत से जो है इसको होनी चाहिए सत्या है। इसलिए सत्य शास्त्रिका में इसमें सारे जितने प्रकार के जो है संस्कार है, सब प्रकार संस्कार के बारे में यहाँ पर जन्म संस्कार से लेकर के मृत्यु संस्कार तक है, सब कुछ इसमें ग्रंथ में करना पड़ता है। आज नामकरण संस्कार है, जैसे नंद महाराज ने नामकरण संस्कार किया गर्गाचार्य ऋषि के बाद, नामकरण संस्कार है, विवाह संस्कार, विवाह कराए कि नहीं कराए? जॉर्डन में कितने विवाह करा दिए हैं? ये सूरीनाम में विजय और प्रेमानंद के विवाह संस्कार कराए कि नहीं करा? अरे थोड़ा तो ताली तो दो कम से कम। ये हॉलैंड से आए ना, हैं? कहाँ संस्कार करा था? अरे इधर से करा था हॉलैंड में। हाँ, वो जो मंदिर जो मंदिर जो था, है?
तो हमारा विवाह में भी हुआ, सुरीनाम में भी आया।
कृष्ण कृपा संस्कार कर रहे हैं।
सुरीनाम भी गया, हमारा शादी पे भी था।
सुरीनाम गया था जब शादी हुआ।
सब है, सबके संस्कार करा दिया। इसके भाई की भी, इसको भाई का क्या नाम? श्याम सुंदर की भी विवाह संस्कार करा।
यहाँ Den Haag में वो एक मंदिर था हमारा।
सबके संस्कार करा। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी की जय। और ब्राजील में तो कितने कराया तुम? और साल तो 2-3 बताई जाता है कि नहीं? संस्कार होनी चाहिए। विवाह संस्कार नहीं हो तो फल प्राप्ति नहीं हो। सब प्रकार के संस्कार होनी चाहिए। इसलिए इस ग्रंथ में विवाह संस्कार से लेकर के जन्म मृत्यु सारे संस्कार वैषम बड़ो वृंदावन जय श्री राधे। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी। एकादशी महातिथि की जय। अम्बरीश महाराज।
एक प्रश्न है, एकादशी पर हम क्रिया क्यों नहीं करते, श्राद्ध वगैरह?
एकादशी के दिन, ये अच्छा प्रश्न किया। ये प्रश्न है, यही सत्क्रिया सात जीविका में वर्णन है। एकादशी के दिन कोई व्यक्ति एकादशी के दिन, ठीक से पहले सुनो, एकादशी के दिन कोई यदि शरीर छोड़े, उनकी जो क्रिया आदि जो होता है उस दिन एकादशी के दिन नहीं करके द्वादशी में करना चाहिए। क्योंकि उस समय जो संस्कार आदि जो होता है उसमें अन्नदान आदि किया जाता है। एकादशी के दिन अन्नदान आदि करने से दाता गृहीता, देने वाले और लेने वाले दोनों के नरक में जाना पड़ता है, ऐसे शास्त्र में लिखा है। इसलिए शास्त्र में कहा गया एकादशी के दिन क्रिया करना नहीं चाहिए। जैसे हम संस्कार करेंगे तो उसमें अन्नदान होता ही है। अन्नदान होने से वो नरक हो जाता है। इसलिए एकादशी के दिन उसमें लिखा है, श्लोक में लिखा है, एकादशी प्रत्यजम द्वादशी तू, एकादशी के दिन छोड़ करके द्वादशी के दिन तो करना चाहिए। ये शास्त्रीय विधान। एकादशी क्यों? हमारे पूर्वज जो है उनके वो अन्नदान नहीं होता। एकादशी के दिन अन्न ग्रहण करना नहीं चाहिए और अन्न दान भी देना नहीं चाहिए। इसलिए एकादशी के दिन नहीं, एकादशी के दिन क्या करना है? वो क्या बोले, जब संस्कार नहीं होता है। ये शास्त्र में लिखा है, शास्त्र की विधि पालन करना पड़ेगा ना। इसलिए एकादशी तिथि पालन करना चाहिए। कोई मर जाए तो कब करो? और भी सत्य, जब तक उसके अग्नि संस्कार नहीं हो जाए तब तक साध्य शांति नहीं होता है। हो सकता है वो जीवित हो जाए पहले। एक व्यक्ति जीवित अवस्था में उसको आप साध्य शांति नहीं कर सकते। किंतु भागवत में एक श्लोक में है, सुनो ठीक से। एक राजा थे, वो अपने जीवित अवस्था में अपने श्राद्ध किया, ऐसे लिखा है शास्त्र में। किंतु कली युग में इसके माना क्या है, इसमें शास्त्र में लिखा गया है। ये कली युग में ये 5 प्रकार जो है वर्जित कहा गया। सुनो ठीक से, क्या क्या वर्जित है? अश्वमेधम गबालम बलपुत्रिकम देवरेण सन्नासम देवरेण सुतत्पुत्ति कलु पंच विवर्जयित। ये शास्त्रीय श्लोक है। ये कलियुग में 5 वस्तु जो है ये वर्जन का, वर्जन समझते हो, त्याग देना चाहिए। क्या क्या? अश्वमेध यज्ञ करना नहीं चाहिए, और गोमेध यानी यज्ञ होनी नहीं चाहिए। अश्वमेधम गवालम पलपुत्रिकम मांस आदि के द्वारा यज्ञ व हवन आदि करना नहीं चाहिए। पलपुत्रिकम देवरेनो सुतोत्पत्ति देवर के द्वारा पुत्र संतान आदि करना कलियुग में मना है। द्वापर युग और सप्त युग में होता था। जैसे इसके क्या बोले, इसके द्वारा क्या बोले, व्यासदेव के द्वारा पुत्र संतान आदि हुई, ये सब बताया गया ना। धृतराष्ट्र और ये क्या नाम है, पांडु है, इनकी बात बताया गया। रुक्मांगद और हाँ पांडु, इनके धृतराष्ट्र के तरफ, इसका व्यासदेव की तरफ हुआ था है। इसलिए कलियुग में जो है देव रेणु सुतोत्पत्ति, देवर के द्वारा, देवर समझते कि नहीं, देवर किसको कहते हैं बताओ, ये लोग जानते ही नहीं। अरे देवर बड़े भाई के छोटा भाई, बड़े भाई के छोटे भाई होते हैं ना, उसके देवर कहा जाता है। अरे सास ससुर देवर
जी
है, ननद, ये सब जानना चाहिए ना है। सब इंडियन कल्चर सब भूल गए लोग है, भूल गए कि नहीं, नहीं भूला, बोलो मत। देवर कहते हैं बड़े भाई के जो
छोटा भाई
है, उसके कहते हैं देवर। देवर के द्वारा पुत्र संतान आदि उत्पादन करना कलियुग में माना है। और पलपुत्री और सन्यासम, कलियुग में सन्यास भी नहीं। यदि को आप लोग तो सन्यास लें, बोले इस सन्यास क्या होता है, हम लोग जो सन्यास लेते हैं कर्म सन्यास के लिए शास्त्र में माना किया गया। कौन सा सन्यास, कर्म सन्यास। हम लोग जो सन्यास लेते हैं इसको कहा जाता है नरोत्तम सन्यास कहा जाता है। क्या सन्यास, नरोत्तम सन्यास। कुटी चौक, हंस, कुटी चौक, बहुदक, हंस और परमहंस, ये चार प्रकार से सन्यास के स्टेज होता है। जो केवल सन्यास लेकर के अपने स्थान पर रह करके कुटिया में रख के भजन करते हैं, उसके कहा जाता है कुटीचक सन्यासी कहा जाता है। बहुदक उसे सन्यासी कहा जाता है, सन्यास लेकर के अनेकों स्थान पर विचरण करते हैं, हरिकथा प्रचार आदि करते हैं, उसके कहा जाता है बहुदक सन्यास का। बहुदक, उदक माने अनेक स्थानों के पानी पीते हैं, हम पीते हैं ना। कभी इंग्लैंड चले गया, कोई हॉलैंड चला गया, कभी जर्मनी, कभी फ्रांस है, कभी ब्राजील है, सब जगह पानी पीते हैं कि नहीं होता है। घाट घाट के हम पानी पीते हैं, एक जगह पानी नहीं पीते हैं। आज इधर है और 2 दिन बाद दूसरी जगह है। और शास्त्र में क्या, सन्यासी एक जगह में अधिक दिन तक नहीं रहे। सन्यासी के हाथ में, पैर में चक्र रखा है। हाँ भाई, आप देखना, वो घूमता रहे, उसके घुमाएंगे है। जिसके हाथ में ये इस पे क्या बोले बृहस्पति के, इसके ऊपर ये रेखा रहता है, वो सन्यासी हो जाता है। वो घर में रहेंगे नहीं है। आज समझते हैं
लेफ्ट हैंड और राइट हैंड।
हाँ, अरे ये बृहस्पति है ना, ये बृहस्पति है, ये बृहस्पति में ये रेखा है ना, देखो हमारे पास ये रेखा जिसके पास रहेगा वो घर में नहीं रहेगा।
राइट हैंड।
घर से बाहर निकाल देंगे।
You're worried about Navin.
इसलिए कलियुग में कौन सा सन्यास है, कलियुग में कौन सा सन्यास, कर्म सन्यास नहीं माना, नरोत्तम सन्यास दंडी है, यही सन्यास है। इसलिए कह रहे हैं अश्वमेधं गवालंभम पलपुत्रिकम देवरेण सुतोत्पत्ति और सन्यासम कलु पंच है। एक कलियुग में ये लिखा, बाकी है सबके लिखा। इसलिए ये सब विधि दिया गया शास्त्र में है। जब तक विधि नहीं पालन करे नहीं होगा है। आज शनि दशा राहु दशा उसे घुमाते रहेंगे तुम्हें, हैं रहने नहीं देंगे, एक स्थान में रहने नहीं देंगे, कभी उस स्थान से ले जाएंगे, घुमाएंगे, कभी बेल्जियम और कभी
हॉलैंड में
हॉलैंड आ जाते हैं कि
जी
हैं 3 दिन हॉलैंड और 3 दिन 4 दिन बेल्जियम घुमाते रहते हैं, शनि दशा है ना तो घुमाएंगे, एक जगह स्थान नहीं रहने नहीं है, ये सब वर्णन है इसमें
जी
है। और ये बहुत ये समझते जो है एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल फालतू नहीं है, इसमें वर्णन है शास्त्र है। और सब कुछ बाधा सब नष्ट हो जाए किस में? भगवत नाम में। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरिनाम हरिनाम करने से सब कुछ चला जाएगा है। हरिनाम करने से कहाँ चला जाएगा? You chant holy name, then back to God, भगवान के धाम में चले जाए। Understand? आज सारी कथा को बता दिया
जी
है, भूत पे सब चला जाएगा।
जी
So for this regard, you observe Ekadashi. Understand? Your health is good. When you are brahmacharya, every Ekadashi, that time Gurudev, by force, do Ekadashi, Nirjala Ekadashi. Because that time our temple also had not so much money. Very simple way. Honestly tell you.
Ekadashi feast.
No Ekadashi feast.
best day to organize program is Ekadashi feast.
One day is the other day very easy, but in the day of Ekadashi
Very expensive.
very expensive of now.
Yeah.
Ekadashi.
And if
So, and in the day of Ekadashi we remember. Gurudev told everybody go to and Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama. That time I remember. That time every Ekadashi you used to go Govardhan Parikrama. That time doing Parikrama, then again return back. That time Govardhan, no temple. And Mathura to Govardhan, not by bus. That time by bus. That time only 2 rupees. That time. And Govardhan to Mathura only that time 2 rupees. And going to then do Parikrama. And 6 hours Parikrama, 4 hours Parikrama. Then again coming back.
No prasad.
In bus.
Nirjal.
Stand.
Nirjal.
Nirjala. That time everybody had to Nirjala Ekadashi. Understand? Nowadays you have the Ekadashi
Feast.
feast. Many kinds of preparation. Understand? Now I think all Gaudiya Math also now. And all Gaudiya Math, not only our Gaudiya Math, all Gaudiya Math also have.
एकादशी ह्यूज प्रिपरेशन है एक जनो इसके लिए क्या इसका फल क्या होगा?
क्या होगा?
एकादशी करने से मतलब क्या कुछ फल होगा कि नहीं होगा?
नहीं, आप लेना नहीं चाहिए।
हाँ?
आपको लेना नहीं चाहिए, दूसरों ले सकते हैं।
अरे भाई जितना जरूरत है उतने शरीर के लिए उतना ही ले ले। आप दूसरे की क्या करें? जितना जरूरत है उतना ही ले लो। आज समझ भी नहीं, शरीर धारण करने के लिए उतना ही आप ले लो।
भजन
है क्या?
भजन साधन
साधन करो, हरि नाम करो। वो क्या कर रहे हैं दूसरे को देख करके, ये जो फिस्ट कराते हैं दूसरे के आकर्षित करने के, नहीं तो लोग कोई आएगा कोई है? कोई नहीं आएगा। अच्छा प्रसाद दो, बढ़िया बढ़िया खिलाओ तब लोग आए। ज्यादा वैराग्य की कथा सुना आएंगे नहीं, महाराज ये क्या वैराग्य की कथा सुनाओ, ज्यादा वैराग्य की कथा सुनाने कोई आएगा? एक दिन आएगा, दूसरे दिन बोले बेकार की बात है। ज्यादा इसलिए बीच बीच में बोलना पड़ता है। हर रोज बोले तिलक लगाओ, बोले महाराज आज बाई फोर्स क्यों करते हैं? बोलेंगे नहीं बोले, इसलिए बीच बीच में बोलना पड़ता है ना। है, इस सब तो बोलना पड़ता है ना, है
जी।
इसलिए नहीं बोलो तो लोग सोचेंगे नहीं वो हम जो कर रही यही ठीक है? इसलिए बीच बीच में क्या बोलना चाहिए, ज्ञान वैराग्य कथा भी बोलना चाहिए
जी।
और बीच में राधा राधा कृष्ण की लीला कथा भी सुना है, आकर्षित कराओ। और गाय के पशु के भागवत में बन रहे हैं, पशु के वशीभूत करने के लिए दो उपाय है। एक है क्या, लोगुड़ेनो पशुनाम लोगुड़म जथा, पशु के जो है वशीभूत करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है, दो उपाय, हरी हरी घास दिखाओ, ये समझते हो, यशोदा ग्रीन ग्रास, देन दे विल कम, है अच्छा अच्छा प्रसाद दिखाओ, खिलाओ, है बोले हाँ है, इसलिए कहते हैं बोले इसकन में इतना बड़ा बड़ा प्रसाद होता है। और गौरी मर में कुछ रूखा सूखा बोले क्या आलू की सब्जी बना देते हैं,
मूंगफली उबाल
है वो भी मूंगफली कभी उबाल देते हैं, कभी चल देते हैं, बात ही सही है कि नहीं। इसलिए लोग प्रसाद के लोग सब तक है, बहुत लोग मैंने देखा प्रसाद खा करके भक्त बन गया है।
जी जी ऐसा
है
सिर्फ प्रसाद,
केवल प्रसाद के समय आ जाते हैं,
महाप्रसाद को।
हाँ ये कहाँ जाते, प्रसाद अभी नहीं दे रहे।
Today my
ओके
जय
हाँ प्रसाद इसलिए करने, प्रसाद सेवन करीते है सकल प्रपंच है, you will take prasad, then you can conquer the mind है। सो बीच बीच में क्या बोलना चाहिए, ज्ञान वैराग्य कथा भी बोलना है,
ज्ञान वैराग्य
है। और हर रोज केवल ज्ञान वैराग्य कथा बोलो तो लोग बिगड़ जाएंगे,
भाग जाएंगे।
केवल एकादशी के दिन बोलो थोड़ा ज्ञान वैराग्य कथा,
जी जी
है कि नहीं,
जी जी जी
है। और दूसरे दिन सब राधा रानी के है, सब लीला कथा सुना है और प्रसाद खिलाओ है, अच्छी अच्छी प्रसाद होनी चाहिए कि नहीं है, तब लोग आएंगे है।
प्रचार के कारण से,
प्रचार के लिए करना पड़ता है और अपने लिए जितना जरूरत है उतना ही ले लो बस, है, अंडरस्टैंड, व्हाट यू नीड, बाकी है। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, जय श्री राम।
पूज्य भक्तिवेदांत बन महाराज की जय, श्री गुरुदेव की
जय, हरिवासी भक्त वृंद की जय, जय जय श्री
एकादशी
एकादशी महादुति की जय, जय जय श्री राम।